So I have a banana in the microwave, and I'll be starting the timer on the microwave for about 30 seconds. No, I'll do it for a minute and see what happened to the banana. And yeah.
Bro, did you say an F word on there? Did you say any bad words? Bro.
Wait.
Bro, did you say any bad words?
No!
No, like that.
Uh-uh. They hasn't split open yet. I don't think so. It's hard to tell.
How long you cleaning that for?
A minute.
Are you doing it right now?
Oh! Look at that banana! Oh, and it smells bad. Oh. Hot. Oh.
No, right. Yep.
There's just a little split in it if you put in for a minute. I think I'll put in for another 30 seconds. I think it's good. Oh my god. Jesus. Jesus. Ah, hot. Hot. Ah. It just turned even. It turned the banana peel turned more brown. And then it's just a little. Ah. Ah.
Eat it.
Ah. That's how the banana peel looks. And the banana.